The second kind of deed you can engage in is Qiyamul Layl. Get up at night and pray the nights. And I want to share with you a beautiful hadith. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَيَضْحَكُ إِلَى رَجُلَيْن. Allah Azza wa Jal laughs at two men. قَامَ فِي لَيْلَةٍ بَارِدَةٍ. He gets up at night that is extremely cold. He gets up min firashihi wa lihafihi wa ditharihi. He gets up from his blanket and from his warm bed. فَتَوَضَّأ. Then he makes wudu. ثُمَّ قَامَ إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ. And then he gets up to pray. فَيَقُولُ اللَّهُ. Allah would say لِمَلَائِكَتِهِ, to the angels, مَا حَمَلَ عَبْدِي هَذَا عَلَى مَا صَنَعَ. Why is my servant doing this? Why did he get up in a cold night, out from a warm bed and a blanket, and make wudu and stand in prayer? Allah would ask the angels, and Allah knows. He asks them, why did my servant do this? فَيَقُولُونَ. They say, oh Allah. They say, رَبَّنَا رَجَاءَ مَا عِنْدَكَ وَشَفَقَةً مِمَّا عِنْدَكَ. He is hoping for the reward that you have. And he did that out of fear of the punishment that you also have of the hellfire and others. Then Allah Azza wa Jal would say to the angels, فَإِنِّي قَدْ أَعْطَيْتُهُ مَا رَجَاءَ وَأَمَّنْتُهُ مِمَّا يَخَافُ. Then bear witness, my angels, I have given him what he hopes for. That is Allah's reward and the paradise and the pleasure of Allah. And I have kept him safe from that which he fears. That is the punishment and the hellfire and the anger of Allah. Allahu Akbar. What a beautiful hadith. Wallahi, if we only heard this conversation that is taking place in the heavens between Allah and the angels, wallahi, we would have never, ever, ever left the night prayers.